1217 is the strike price. Monthly 1217. Leadership, Amazon. Long-term 2009 trend. Boy, we loved those days. We were buying this thing, riding that thing up. Here's a major support level right across here at 140, just so you know where these tops had broken out. But here's the thing. Amazon is broken down. Amazon does well during Christmas season. We feel that Amazon is executing a lot, but the weekly chart, that's what this is a weekly chart on Amazon. Amazon closed at 182.40, down 6.59, right along with the broader liquidation and broader equities below the 50-week. 2 weeks, look at here. Oh my goodness, it's a bear trend. 10-week, the blue line is pointing down. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks below it. You're below the 50-100 week. The 100, or you're below the 50 week. The 100 week is right here. But here's that long-term trend, and it's going to come into play right here at this major support level. If we break this Monday, the next support level is going to be right about, let's call it 180 and some change. The calendar year low remains down here on the weekly. That's just calendar year low at 160.74. And it also part of that 100-week moving average that we're talking about. So here is the reversal. It's a bear trend. It's going to perform well once Amazon finds a firm support level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks down with the broader market. But really, from the 220 level is where the break point happened on this leader. And this leader, like all of the leaders, have been sold down. They benefit well. If we hold support level here, then we're going to go through the call and put strategies that we're going to do. Once again, it's a bear reversal, weekly bear reversal, Amazon. The 180 call, that's the weekly chart on Amazon, bear reversal. But look it, we are getting extremely deflated. These call contracts up here, believe it or not, on 11/14 were $40 a contract. The low was $9.50 on 11/25. We'll be watching in the money 180 call, and tomorrow morning we'll set alarms. The 185 call, which is also up here on the same date, 11/14. You can see the high was 36. You can see that the current low that was set in on 11/25 is 687. So along with Amazon pulling back to these key levels, that they hold support, then there's great buying opportunities in the deflated calls. We're always looking for value, and this is one of them. They have marked the call side down tremendously, and basically this is a one that we will be all over tomorrow. It's a 185 call, and we would even be going as far as taking a look here at this December 190 call. We know where it closed, the equity. We know that the high up here was 34 on the high, and that the low was 488, and they're deflated 190 call on Amazon. Now, having said that, I'm going to go through the opposite side of the market, which is going to be the put side. So here is a 180 put below the closing price. They were wholesaled. They were deflated down here at $1.17. They're getting inflated up here at the high of 786. That is the 180 put below the market. Now, if you take a look at slightly in the money put, they're up here at the highs as well compared to the calls in the video. Look. They were deflated at $1.62, but now they hit a high of $10.30. They are getting in balance. They can go a little bit higher, but not too much. They're getting inflated on that 185 put. That's slightly in the money. If you look at the 190 put, which once again, the deflated put comes in at $2, let's say, and now we just hit a high of 1270. So the put side is working, and the put side is the one that's going to, if Amazon.com gets support level in here on its weekly chart, then that means that these puts are going to go down in value, and we bounce off support. We're going to be in a trading range between here and that 50-week moving average. That 50-week moving average, believe it or not, is 196.72, and we went well below it. So we're going to monitor how inflated the call side or the put side is, and we'll even be looking at that 195 put. That's way up here. Remember, the lows were buyable over here at 259, but they're getting a little top end inflated value where if these could come down in value and your calls go up in value if you hold the weekly support line. If you break the weekly support line, well, the calls are going to go up and they're going to get even more inflated, and the put side is going to get more inflated and the call side is going to get more deflated. There's a great name here in Amazon that we look at trading the call and the puts for the calendar month of December. And I have all of them right here. I've set them all up. Here they are. And we will be dealing with this tomorrow morning, because if anybody's going to get headline bump for the holiday Christmas sales, it's going to be Amazon, along with this Thanksgiving week which has gone by. Amazon call put strategy.